Hello curly friends. I realize it's been a while since I have done an updated curly hair routine video, so that's what we're gonna do today. If you want to see how I got this curly hairstyle, keep watching. So the first thing I'm gonna do is step in the shower and get this crazy hair wet down. And then I'm gonna go in with my current favorite shampoo, which is the Sense Pure Harmony Hair Bath. And this is one of my favorite parts of the process of washing my hair because I think it feels so good to just rub my hands together, put my fingers straight directly into my scalp, and start massaging that shampoo in. I kind of give myself a little head massage here to help stimulate hair growth. I know that sounds crazy, but it's true, it works. And it helps create that lather with all of those nice bubbles and suds. So once I'm done shampooing, I will rinse that out and go in with my current favorite conditioner, which is the Sense Hydrating Cream Conditioner. I put some water in my hands, emulsify it in my hands to make it nice and creamy and spreadable. And then I will go ahead and put that on the mid to ends of my hair. And this is where things get a little bit tricky because I am really a big proponent of not putting conditioner on your scalp. However, I really enjoy finger detangling with the conditioner on my hands. But I'll go ahead and detangle from the bottom towards the ends and slowly go up, and I do make my way all the way up to my scalp. So some conditioner does end up on my scalp, just not very much because I'm only using my fingers as a detangling agent at this point. So usually at this point in my shower, I'll want to get the rest of my, things done that need to be done. So I'll usually leave my conditioner on for about 5 to 10 minutes while I shave and do everything else I need to. And then I will go ahead and rinse that out. And I love how soft it feels after I rinse out the conditioner. It just feels so much better. I can feel the water really absorbing into my hair. So now it's time for styling, and if you are like me and your hair has been in a ponytail for a couple of days before styling, you may find that you do need to comb out still some of those tangles that remain, even after finger detangling. So that's what I do here with this wide tooth comb. I also think it's just helpful to give my hair some guidance as to where to part and how I want it to lay, etc. So the next thing I'm gonna do is grab my styling agents. And for the most part, I usually only use one styling product, but sometimes, like today, I'll go ahead and use 2 styling products. So that's what I'm doing today. The first one is the Briogeo Curl Charisma Cream because it is super protein packed, and I know my hair needs a little boost of protein to help give it some more bounce right now. So I just put a small amount on my fingers, and I'll rub that in between my hands and start applying on my hair via praying hands method. This is my favorite styling product application method. I think it just distributes the product so evenly throughout all of my hair. So now it is time for my main styling product. It is the Sense I Create Hold. I'll put a pretty fair amount of this on my hands, at least a quarter size amount, and then I'll rub it between my fingers and apply via praying hands again. Now this is where I'll start flipping my hair back and forth, and I'll also start scrunching. I think styling while flipping your head back and forth is really what gives it that nice bounce and relaxed and casual look, but you can still get great definition when you use this hold product. I'm telling you, try this styling product out. Sense I Create Hold. Alright, so I'm flipping my hair back and forth. I am now exclusively scrunching. I want to hear that nice squishing sound so that I know that my products are really doing their job and they're going to be holding in that moisture. Now I am ready for my final styling step, and that is plopping. I will link a plopping video right here because I know I went out of the frame for this. Sorry about that. But here is what it looks like after. And then I am just ready to go. I'll go do whatever I need to do, get dressed for the day, take care of the family, get everyone breakfast. And then when all of that's done, I will come back and diffuse my hair. I do have a whole diffusing video I'll try to link as well. I love diffusing my hair until it is fully dry because otherwise it just takes way too long for my hair to dry. Like air drying takes literally 8+ hours for me. I am not kidding. So diffusing is fantastic for me. I will diffuse for probably about 30 minutes. That's how long it takes for my medium to long, thick, curly hair to dry. And then when I am all done drying, I am ready to scrunch out the crunch. So what I do is take a couple of drops of argan oil, my absolute favorite oil, rub my hands together, and then I will flip my hair back and forth while I scrunch it. I'm not scrunching super hard, just hard enough to be able to break that cast. And then you can flip up and see your creation. It's honestly the most satisfying part of washing curly hair because you get to see all of that styling work come together and see the fluffy, bouncy, shiny curls coming through. And I find it super satisfying. I don't know about you. So here we are, guys. This is the finished product. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful. If you are trying to create your own curly hair routine, don't worry if it takes a long time. I have a whole video on how to create your own curly hair routine that I will link down below. I know I'm linking a ton of videos in this one. Just open them up in each different tab and cycle through and you'll be a pro by the end of it, I promise. All right, well, until next time, adios.